From luxury high above the city to the bustling streets below, Bangkok at night is an unforgettable experience. Experience the height of style. Bangkok, where luxury meets vibrant culture. Experience the height of luxury. Bangkok's skyline awaits you at sunset.
It's perfect, isn't it?
Experience the ultimate luxury escape, where every sunset is as memorable as the company you keep. Welcome to the vibrant underwater paradise of Koh Tao, where life thrives in the crystal-clear waters of the Gulf of Thailand.
Welcome to the ultimate Thai adventure. From secluded island paradises to the bustling heart of Bangkok, prepare to see the world differently.
Where every moment is crafted for elegance. The metropolis Bangkok. Your urban oasis awaits.
Cheers, everyone. This is amazing.
Absolutely stunning sunset.
Everybody put your hands up. Let's go, Pattaya. Enjoy the show.
Discover the ultimate luxury escape in Phuket. Pristine beaches, exquisite resorts, and sunsets that paint the sky.
Om Mani Padme Hum Om Mani.
Here, in the heart of Thailand, these magnificent creatures finally find the peace they deserve. This is what ethical tourism looks like.
Indulge in an atmosphere of serene luxury, where every touch is designed to restore balance and harmony.
Escape to a world of serenity. Discover true relaxation at the Oasis Spa Retreat.
This is Wok Hei, the breath of the wok. It's the sound of the fire meeting the ingredients, locking in that intense smoky flavor. Journey deep into the misty heart of the Thai jungle, a world of breathtaking beauty and untamed wildlife.
Cheers, everyone, to the best night ever. This curry is absolutely exquisite.
Isn't the service wonderful?
Wow, this pad thai is incredible.
And the mango sticky rice is heavenly.
Buddham saranam gacchami, Dhammam saranam gacchami, Sangham saranam gacchami.
The time has come to explore the extraordinary. Embrace the vibrant culture, breathtaking beauty, and endless adventure that awaits you in Thailand.